Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and today I'll be teaching you how to add in Excel. Add means how to make totals in Excel. I'll be using a few ways. I'll be showing a few ways how to do it. Alright. We have taken an example over here. This example is for the names John, Neil, Max, Mark, Ram and Amit. These are their relative marks in these subjects, English, Maths and Spanish. So we want to find out how to total them up. Alright. So there are multiple ways of doing it. The first way is we need to put a is equal to sign over here and then type in SUM, sum. So what does it say? Adds all the numbers in a given range. So then we open the brackets, and the brackets are opened by using shift and the relative key in your keyboard. And then we need to, it says number 1 and number 2. That means it wants you to select numbers. So we am selecting this, and then I can put a comma and I can select this. Then it says me number 3, and then I can put another comma and then I can select this, and then I'll close the bracket and I'll press enter, and here's the result. Isn't it cool? There's another way of doing it. I'll show you how. Is equal to sum, open the brackets, and rather than selecting specific numbers, you select the complete range. A collection of cells is called a range. So I selected this complete range and I'm closing the bracket and pressing enter. So it's given me the answer. This can be done in another way also. Alright, it's in variation. Is equal to, you click on the number which you want to use, add this, then enter the sign of plus, then choose another number, then enter the sign of plus, then choose another number, then enter, and then press enter. It gives you the result. And there is one more way of also, and that is using auto sum. Alright, now you click on auto sum and it automatically chooses a range. See, if it is highlighted, this F10, it is highlighted, so that means it is in edit mode. So we will select the range that we want and we'll press enter. It will give us the result like this also. And there is one more way. What we need to do is we need to select whatever we need to add, and if we see below here, it gives us the result, sum 176. So you can actually see the result from here and type it. You won't believe, so many people do it. Even I use it so many times. And finally, there is a way which is very user friendly, which is you go to the formula tab over here and then click on insert function and type in the name of the formula which you want to use, which is sum, and then we click on go, and then we click on OK, and then we choose the number which we want to add, like this. Number 2 is this, number 3 is this, and then we click on OK, and that's the answer. Isn't it cool? Well, this is a very easy way of doing sum. Now comes my magic trick. I'll show you a magic trick. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press 2 keys and it will give me the answer. I'll press Alt and is equal to together and press enter. See, I'll do it again. Alt is equal to enter. Alt is equal to enter. Alt is equal to enter. This is a nice trick to know. It's a magic trick. So this was the formula sum in Excel, means how to add in Excel. The training file, the Excel file shown in this video, is available for free download at my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Alright, and you have to go to the training files page and download the file from there. There are no charges, nothing like that. Yes, if you believe, that what I'm doing is right and you would like to help me and aid me, then I would like you to help others doing it rather than me. And that can be done by spreading the word. Let's share knowledge. That's the motto. So I would like you to follow me on Twitter. If you click on this link, it will take you to my Twitter page. I would like you to follow me on Twitter and then retweet so that people can know about it. You can also follow me or become a fan of me, of my page on on Facebook by clicking over here. And once you click over here, it will take you to my Facebook page. All you need to do is like, and once you like it, you'll also be able to share my videos with others. Also, I give one tip a day, or some useful thing, insight into Excel every day. You will be able to access that also. And last but not the least, uh, you are watching this video on YouTube, so I would like you to subscribe to me on Excel so that whenever there is a new video by me or an update by me, YouTube would notify you through an email, and it will be easier for you to find me on YouTube. All you have to do is just log into your YouTube and it will show me on your subscriptions list, so it will be easier for you to find me. So also you can also click over here and subscribe to me. Well, this was your Excel Guru with the addition formula, with the sum formula in Excel. Hope you liked it. So that's all for today. Happy Excel learning. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Well, this is your Excel Guru today with a formula called average. Average in Excel allows you to find the arithmetic mean of a given range of cells. Now, I'll be taking you further deep into it. And now I would like to say for example, this is zones. Say Delhi, Indore, Bangalore, Madras, Patna, Bhopal, Mathura, Kanpur, Noida. And these are the units sold of a specific product in that zone. And these are the amounts of correlating to the sale units. So see, if we want to find out what was the average units sold per zone, what was the average collection amount, sale amount per zone. So that is what I'll tell you in this formula. That is what average will assist you to find. And I'll be teaching you this formula, explaining this formula to you rather, in two ways. One is my most favorite way, by entering the formula syntax into a cell. The other way is by going into the data tab and using the FX feature. I'll be covering both of them. So let's start with my favorite one, which is the formula syntax. So every formula in Excel starts with is equal to sign. A few people start with plus sign also. So you type in is equal to, then you type in average. You see these formula, all these annotations below: average A, average if, average ifs. All these formulas would be taught by me. I'll be explaining each and every formula to you. Now in Excel 2007, it gives you a wonderful option to, if you are typing in some formula name and it appears below, and if you find that's right, just press tab and it will come up automatically. And a parenthesis sign or a bracket open sign would also appear automatically. That is what I did. Now we need to choose the range for which we need to find the average. Now before going to what is a range, we'll have to understand what is a cell. Now Excel works on cells and ranges, references. See, if we click over here, you see here is the cell address. It is D17. That means D is the column and 17 is the row. So this is the cell. Now if I press shift and use my upward arrow key, I would be able to select a range. Now a collection of cells is called a range. Now I've selected my range. I'll press shift and parenthesis close, bracket close. I'll press enter, and this is the average, you see. And we were able to get the average. Now we need to increase the font size, and see, this is the average. Wasn't it easy? It's the mathematical mean of this complete range. Now, another way to do it is we go to Data tab in this ribbon, then, we go to Formulas, we go to FX feature, alright, and then over here search for a function. We type in the name of a function that we would like to search or execute. We'll type in average, so go. Once we click on go, everything related with average would come up over here. As I said, I'll be teaching all these formulas. A few of them have already been taught by me. So I'll click over here, see what does it say. Return the average arithmetic mean of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers. Now, it has selected the range E9 to E17. See? We can also do it. It has done it automatically. We will do it ourselves. We'll select this range. Alright. And we'll click on OK. And this is our average for this. See? This is the average of this amounts. If you see, this formula for sales amount and the formula for sales unit is the same, though we did them by two different ways. This was done by entering the formula syntax. Yes, you remember. And this was done by using the formula tab. So this is it for this average. However, this file that you see that you are watching right now is available on YouTube, and this Excel file is available on my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Now you can go to that website and download this file for free. Yes, this is my website, Excel Made Easy. Here's the syntax, and you can download this file for free. Here is my playlist. You can click and view. This is the English playlist, this is the Hindi list. And once you go over here, click on this icon, will take you directly to my YouTube channel. Here, training index and trains. You click over here, and it will take you to my downloadable files. Channel, all my videos stored. You can watch them at your convenience by downloading the file. You can play along, follow along, or practice later. Along with that, you also subscribe to me. Whenever there is, you will be automatically made aware of. One thing I'll call, if you like doing, do provide feedback on my social links. Best way by clicking on this, it would allow you to like me and part of your feedback. Much so, we want you to comment here. Well, this was running all day. Happy learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Sorry, I was unable. I forgot to switch on my mic earlier. So, well, this is your Excel Guru back with a new formula, and this is a formula called count. It's a beautiful formula, wonderful formula, and a formula that you can count upon. Yes, the formula count can be counted upon. Formula count helps you in finding out the count of cells which contain numbers in a given range. Sounds complicated, but it's very simple and it's very useful also. I'll give it to you. I'll tell you a visual example of this. So, for example, this is item name. These are items at a stationery shop, saying book, pencil, pen, eraser, notebook, sketch pen, sharpener, chart, name, labels, and bag. These are the units sold, 3, 20, and here there is a special character hash sign. erasers 4, 1 notebook, sketch pen blank, sharpener 4, charts are not in stock, name labels 50, and bag 1. So we want to find out the count of products which are actually sold on that given day, which had units sold mentioned against them. All right. So this can be done in two simple ways. One is my favorite way, by typing in the formula syntax. The second one is by going into the formula tab and then choosing the FX feature. I'll be telling you both of them. So I'll start with the first one, which is my favorite, which is the formula syntax. We'll start by entering is equal to sign, then we'll type in COUNT. Now 2007 has this wonderful feature. Now, whenever you type a formula's name, anything relevant to that name, all the formulas start showing up over here. You see? And all these formulas will be taught by me. A few have already been, I have already taught, and the rest I'll be covering up every day. I'm trying to add in one video on a daily basis. So, since we have typed in count, we press tab. So 2007 Excel would automatically enter the parentheses also over here. Now what you need to do is you need to choose the range for this cell, for this formula. Now a range is a collection of cells. Alright, now what is a cell? A cell is an individual block over here. You see this block? This is E18. You see it's over here. E18. E is the column, 18 is the row, E18. So a collection of such cells which I'm choosing now is called a range. So I select it, I close the parenthesis, I close the bracket and I press enter, and yes, you have the answer over here. Seven items were such on that given date which had numerics corresponding to their names. Let's count. Book had a numeric 1, pencil had another numeric 2, eraser had another numeric 3, notebook had another numeric 4, and then sharpener 5, name label 6, and bags 7. See? So it gave us the exact count. So this gives you the exact count of products that had numerics against them. This can be used in multiple ways. Again, it depends how you use it in your calculations, day-to-day calculations. Now I'll show you the other way around, which is by using the formula ribbon, the formula tab, FX feature, and I'll type in COUNT, search for a function count, go to count, okay, and it will choose a range. I don't want his range. We'll choose our range. This can be done, alright, and we'll press on OK, and this will give us our solution. Alright, now before we proceed further, my own brief infomercial. This sheet that you're watching is available on my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Yes, here it is. So that you can download it, you can practice, follow along later with this video. Now this is my website, yes, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. You go to training files, and therein you will be able to download this Excel file for free to practice along, follow along, or just keep it for reference with you. My videos are available over here. You see these playlists? Yes, this is the playlist. Hindi and English playlists are there so that you can watch those videos at your convenience. One thing I would like to ask all of you, if you like it, please do mention your comments. Follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Yes, do like us on Facebook. If you like us, I would be able to spread awareness about MS Excel more. It will help me in doing that. Well, that was it for the day. Thank you so much for attending this class, for watching this video. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Well, this is your Excel Guru, with the formula count A. Yes, count A as some people call it. Well, it's a formula which will allow you to count the number of non-blank cells in a range. It's something akin to count formula, which I have taught earlier. However, the count formula only takes into only counts the cells which have a numeric value. All right. Now this count A formula, it will give you a count of all those cells which are not blank. It does not see whether they have symbols in them. It does not see whether those cells have numerics in them. It does not see whether they have alphabets in them. All right. It only counts. It only ignores cells which are not blank, which are blank. For example, see, we'll take the same example that we took earlier in the count formula sheet. Item name, stationery shop. Item name would be, say, book, pencil, pen, razor, notebook, sketch pen, sharpener, chart. Name labels, bag. All right, and these are the units sold: 3, 20. We have a special value over here, just characters. So eraser 4, 1 notebook. Sketch pen, I don't think so people like to buy sketch pen anymore, so nothing was sold. Sharpener, charts, say charts were out of stock. Okay, now coming to charts, very soon I'll be starting creating a new playlist for charts in Excel. I believe I'm very good with charts on Excel, and very soon I'll be coming up with new. Just wait to see that. Name labels were sold 50. I'm sure name labels would be selling with so much attrition happening nowadays. Names would be changing. Okay, bag one. Nobody gets so money today nowadays, so nobody needs a bag to put money in. Just joking, just joking. I'm in a jovial mood today. Alright, so I was telling I would be teaching the count A formula, which ignores the non-blanks, which ignores the blank cells and give results of the count of the non-blank cells. I'll be teaching it in two ways. The first way is by entering the formula syntax. The second way is by using the formula, by using the Excel ribbon for the formula tab and going to the FX feature. So first, my favorite one, starting with is equal to, some people like to start the formula with a plus sign also. I'll also do it today. Plus, parenthesis open, and type in the name Counta. Sorry, I made a mistake. Counta. Then I would have to enter parenthesis open. Then I select my range. This is the range which I need to calculate, to evaluate. Alright, range is a collection of cells. Alright, a cell is a reference in Excel to a specific location. Like this is column E and this is row 18, so this is E18. This is column E, row 9, so this is E9, cell E9. So this is a range now. So I pressed enter and here is the result, 9. And 9 is the count of cells in this range which are not blank. So this was the counter formula. Isn't it easy? Can make life simple. Say it can help you in so many ways, in attendance, in stock mapping, in your inventory taking. I use it very often, so very often. It's a wonderful thing, as I would be taking you through my own. Now, the sheet that you're seeing, this worksheet, is available for free download at my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. This is the website. You need to click the appropriate file. All the videos that I've shown have a cost of free download. This is playlist for English and Hindi. You can go through the videos over here directly and to my YouTube channel also. Now let me take you through to the other formula, other way of doing the formula, count A. So we'll go to the ribbon, Excel ribbon, we'll click on formula, we'll go to insert function, which is FX, and we will type Counta, counter. We'll click on go.
Select a function counter. Okay, so it will ask me to type in the value 1. I'll simply choose the complete range. I have already told what a range is, and I'll click on OK, and see, we have the same result. It's 9. You want to verify it? Alright, we'll be counting the cells which are not empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is empty. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See? And here's the answer. So this is how it has to be done. And if you happen to like this video, do remember to download this training files from the website so that you can practice along, follow along, or just keep it for reference or share it with people. Now, coming to share, I just remember on my website I have my social networking sites links. Do share the links, or do like them, or do comment them if you find it good. I'm just trying to spread the cause of making education available to everybody. Also do like us on Facebook, because it helps me in finding more people, or for more like-minded people to share this base, educational base. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope it was a helpful session. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru today with a new formula called Concatenate. Yes, it's a bit confusing name. I'll spell it over here. Concatenate. Yes, it's a beautiful formula. Can help you a lot when working with text or numbers both. Alright, I'll tell you what it does exactly. Well, concatenate allows you to join text strings, multiple text strings into one, or number strings into one string. For example, in this column we see first name, over here we see last name, and say this is Alan, this is Jones. We want them together over here, like Alan Jones. So that is, this can be done by concatenate. Or over here we see Bob Williams, so we want a Bob space Williams. So this is again done by this formula. See, it can save you a lot of time. Carol Davis, Carol, comma Davis. You may want to do this in your office, in your home, in your class. Excuse me. You may even want the last name first and the first name last, as is very popular in European or the Western countries, or in US. So I'll teach you that. This is what concatenate can do. So I'll remove these formulas and then I'll tell you how to put them in. As usual, I'll tell you them in two ways. First one, by entering the formula syntax of concatenate. The second way of by doing it by going into formula tab and then going into the FX feature. Alright, so let's start today's session. Concatenate. Alright, so every formula in Excel starts with is equal to. A few people start with a plus symbol also. So we'll type in is equal to concatenate. I may have entered the wrong spelling. Concatenate, parenthesis open, it says text 1. So we'll choose text 1. Alright, then it says put a comma. I'll put a comma. Then it says choose your text 2. So this is my text 2. My text 2 is C10. So I'll enter my text 2 C10 and I'll close the bracket. See, we got Alan Jones. Isn't it good? Wonderful. So before I proceed further, we'll just verify what we did. We entered concatenate, we opened the bracket which is called parenthesis open, we chose the first name which is B10, see B10, and then we chose C10, we entered a comma and chose C10. So this can give you this result, Alan Jones. I'll do the same with the formula tab. By going to the formula tab, fx function, and I'll type in over here type a brief description of what you want to do and then click go. So I'll type concatenate. See, concatenate. What does it do? Joins several text strings into one text string. Okay, so text 1 is Alan, text 2 is Jones. So I'll press OK, and it gave me the same result. So that is concatenate. Now something more, a bit advanced, better than this. We may not want to have the first name and the last name together without a space. We may want a space. So I'll tell you how to do that. We'll again do in is equal to concatenate, parenthesis open, bracket open, first text, comma. Now this is where it gets interesting. We enter a semicolon open, space, semicolon close, comma, and then we choose the last name. Then we choose the last name, bracket close. See, we got Carol Davis. Isn't it nice? We were able to insert a space. Now I'll tell you how to insert a comma over here. Same feature, concatenate, parenthesis open, first text, comma, semicolon open, a comma in over here, semicolon close, another comma in over here, and last name. And we close the bracket, Alan Jones. See, I'll tell you what it did actually over here. Concatenate, formula took B13 as the first value, then you gave a comma and gave a semicolon open. So it understood that anything in between, let it be even a space or whatever you want, a symbol, would be added between the two values. The second value was C13, which is the last name of this person. So, and we can do it the other way around. We can have the last name first, like this is Bob Williams. We can have Williams Bob. So is equal to concatenate. I want the last name first, so I chose the last name first, comma, parenthesis, bracket, semicolon open, another comma, semicolon close, another comma, and then I have the first name. I'll close the brackets, that is the parenthesis close, and we have Williams Bob. We can copy it, Control C, Control V, copies it for us. As simple as that. I hope you liked it. And now this training file that you see, Excel file, is available on my website, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Yes, that's the website. This file, you can go into training files tab over here and download this training file so that you can work along, play along, or follow along this training video again and again at your convenience whenever you want. Alright, and yes, all my video links are over here. These are for my English viewers. This is a playlist in English. You can just click over here and it will show you all the English videos, or you can click over here and it will show you all the Hindi videos. You can just scroll like this. Alright, and one thing I would like all of you to ask, I like all of you to do is, if you like my video and if you happen to have a Facebook account, do go and like me over there. It will help me in spreading awareness about Excel on the net also, because Facebook is one of the most popular medium over there. Help me on that part. I'm trying to just spread awareness. And This is my YouTube channel. You can click over here. You can go over here, subscribe, and you can either sign in or sign up. Now with this, whenever a new video is added, you would be made aware by YouTube on that part. Alright? Well, I hope you liked today's session. So this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru today with a new formula of Excel called if. Yes, if. IFF. Alright, this formula is something that can be used to create functions of your own to some extent in Excel. Like today I'm trying to create a function or a formula wherein if the item names are entered, these item names are entered, then the rate should automatically show up over here, and the quantity we would enter ourselves, and the value would be the total of the product of quantity and rate. Alright, so I'm gonna do that for you. I'm going to teach that to you today. So let's see how to do that. Alright, so that was some trickery magic I did. Alright, now the formula would start. See, beef is $500, chicken is $125, pizza is $300, burger is $50, hot dog is $70. Why I'm saying dollars is because I'm making this video for a friend of mine in US. He has met me through Facebook. His name is Charlie Jenkins. Charlie asked a question which was something similar to this. So Charlie, this is for you. Okay, now say if I want to enter beef over here, when we enter beef over here, what we want is that this rate should automatically show up. So how we are going to do that is we are going to start this formula with is equal to IFF, parenthesis open, if this cell is D16 is equal to C8, then the rate should show up as printed here, and close the bracket. Now D16, if D16 is equal to C8 is clear over here. D16 is this cell item name, and if this is equal to something mentioned over here which may be beef, and then the rate printed opposite to it should show up. So this is simple. D16 is equal to C8. Then why did I put a plus sign? Plus D8. Plus means that when we enter a plus sign in a formula after a comma, then it will simply paste the value over there as it is. Alright? So this will allow us to make the rates variable. So whenever we change this rate from here, the rate over here would also automatically change. So let us see. See, it has come up. Now if I type chicken, what would happen? Nothing. It says false. If I type beef again, it says, oh sorry, we type beet. It gives me 500. Now if I want to copy this formula, what would happen? Oh, it's saying all false. So let me type beef over here. Say, something's working. Something's wrong. I'll tell you what's wrong. So before we do that, let's complete our formula. Now quantity, say Charlie sold 3 beef loaves, each costing $500. Charlie, good rates. And quantity is 3. Then the value should be is equal to rate multiplied by the quantity sold, which is $1,500. Charlie, that is good money. So when the next time I come to US, you owe me a beef burger. And now, so what happened over here? Why didn't the formula copy? That is something I'll tell. And then how to add these other conditions also. Now it can be chicken also, pizza, which I love, burger, hot dog. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you why I did not copy. So when I copied it over here, C, what did it say? D17, C9, D9. Over here it is D16, C8, D8. What happened? When I copied the formula, the Excel itself copied the references also, but one cell below. So we need to fix the reference cells. D16 is variable. This is D range, D column. You can enter any item over here, but the reference cells would not change, so we have to keep them fixed. So we'll press the F4 button. See, we'll press the F4 button for the values which are mentioned over here. So this would allow Excel to refer to these values only whenever a name is entered here. I'll press enter. Now if I copy this formula, see, okay, so this was how it is done. Now I am going to get other categories. So I removed the last parenthesis, entered another comma, if again, bracket open, D16 the same cell. Now if somebody enters chicken over here, then it should give me this rate. Alright, then again comma, if bracket open, if in this cell again somebody enters pizza, sorry, in this cell somebody enters, if this is equal to pizza, then what should be the answer? Then the rate equivalent to pizza should come up. Then again if bracket open. So complicated. You would have to watch this video once or twice to use it completely. I'm so sorry. Sometimes these do get a bit confusing. Comma. Then the rate should be this. See, by entering a plus cell, plus sign in front of the rates, the cell allows me to make changes whenever these rates are varying. Whenever these rates would vary, the rate over here would also vary. So my last thing now, if this is equal to hot dogs, okay, if this is equal to hot dogs, then this should be the rate. Now I close my brackets, 1 2 3 4 5. Now I copy it. No, I would not copy it because I have yet to fix the complete thing over here. See, the only thing that I'm not fixing is the D column. Reason being, the D16 range where the item names are to be mentioned, because only those can be changed, the others cannot be changed. This is akin to the dialogue in the Lord of the Rings movie, "You shall not move." This was a good dialogue, I liked. Okay, I just want 2 more. 4. Okay, enter. Now I'm gonna copy it. Okay, now it will give me no issues. Now if I enter chicken over here, CHICKEN, the rate is showing as 125. If I enter hot dog, the rate shows as 70. If I enter burger, the rate is 50. If I enter a pizza, it's 300. If I alter the rate of pizza from 300 to say 1200, it will automatically change. The quantity would be as per your choice. Charlie, go on, make as many sales as possible. This formula can be copied down. So this Excel video, this Excel file that you are seeing in this video is available for download for you to practice and follow along on my website www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. This is my website. I'm so sorry. And you can just go to the head page, go to the training files and download the file from there. And the video you are looking at is available on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe by signing in or signing up so that whenever there is a new video, you will be aware about it. YouTube would inform you. And yes, if you do like my work, then you can follow me on Twitter, like me on Facebook. If you click over here on my homepage, it will take you to my Facebook page. Do like us if you believe that what I'm doing is right, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube videos from here itself. So this is your Excel Guru, signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Yes, this is your Excel Guru back with a new formula called Countif. Yes, Countif is a formula which will allow you to add to give you a count of a specific criteria based on a specific condition. All right. Now, just for example, like we want to count the number of presents. Say, for example, see, this is an attendance sheet for these many agents: Pankaj, Amit, Jyoti, Javak, Samir, Rohit, Rahul, Deepak, Mandir, Sid, Sarla, Lakshmi. Oh, we have the two femme fatales over here, Sheila and Muni too. So they have been absent for these many days. Okay. And they have been actually absent for the complete time range. Okay. Maybe they have been out shooting. All right. Okay. Now see if out of these many days we want to find out how many days was a specific agent present, how many days, what was the count of the present for the complete day, or what was the count of presents for this time range for the specific agent. We can do all that with a simple formula called Countif. All right, I'm going to teach you that formula in two ways. One is my favorite way. The Countif formula would be taught using the formula syntax. The second way, the easiest way around, which many people say, I disagree on that, would be by using the formula tab over here and going to the FX feature and doing it. So we'll review that. So let's start with the formula function with the FX feature. All right, and this I'll also tell you how to copy it, so that it will be helpful. And now, say for example, we want to know the count of the students present on the 1st of April and the students absent on the 1st of April. All right. Now we can do it very easily by entering the syntax is equal to COUNTIF if. And okay, in 2007 you have this wonderful feature. Whenever you type the name of a formula, even the partial name, the formulas related to it open up, start showing below over here. And the explanation for this formula shows count the number of cells between a range that meet the given criteria. All right, so we'll give the criteria. And the formula here, Countifs, I'll teach it also in the next my next training video would be on Countifs. All right, so let's start with Countif. Now we want to count if, and see it shows you range and criteria. So the range is highlighted over here. So we need to give in the range. All right, what is the range that you want to count? Say for example, since we are counting the number of people present and absent on the 1st of April, so this is our range. All right. Just to work briefly upon it. See, this is a cell C7. If you see C7, why is it C7? C is the column and 7 is the row. You see over here. So this is cell, one cell. A collection of cells is called a range. So that is how we fix the range. Okay, so I fix the range. I'll apply a comma over here, and then it says key enter a criteria. Now the criteria is what you think. On what basis would you like Excel to count for you? Would you like to count the number of presents or absents? So P is the legend for present. So I'll do a semicolon open, P semicolon close, and parenthesis close, bracket close call in Hindi, and you have the answer 7. Same we'll do with absence. Speak along with me. COUNTIF, Countif. Paragraph parenthesis open. It asks me to enter a range, so I am entering this range. Bracket, comma, parenthesis open. Semicolon open. Now we are counting absence. Semicolon close. Bracket close. Enter, and we have the answer. See, 7, 7. Okay, now we can copy the formula. You see, we'll do a Control C and we'll select the range over which we want to copy it, and we'll do a Control V, and these are the number of people present on these many days. And the other way of doing it, Right click on your mouse, copy, right click on your mouse, copy, select this complete area, right click on your mouse and say paste. Or where did we paste? Right click this, right click of your mouse and paste. So we were able to paste it also. Alright, and now I told you I will be teaching you the other way also, how to do it. Say for a specific agents we want to find out how many times was what was the count of presence and absence for Pankaj for the first from the first till the 15th. So we'll write P over here, A over here, and we'll do that counting is equal. Now we'll do it the formula syntax way, another way around. Alright, let's see how we do it. So we'll point our mouse over here, we'll go to the formula tab, FX tab, and we'll type Countif, COUNTIF, Countif. We'll click on go, and all the formulas related to Countif come over here, and we'll press OK. So the range, as I told, is the area on which you want to count. This is the range. I selected. What is the criteria? Criteria is the condition in the form of a number, expression or text that defines which cell will be counted. In other words, simply what do you want to count? So we'll enter P. We are counting P. So we'll say OK. And this guy has been present for 7 days. And now we'll count absence. So we'll go over, click over on formula again, FX feature. We'll choose Countif again is equal to, I hope that would be clear by now to all of you. And this time the range is A. We'll click on OK, and this is it. We can copy them together also. See, I copied it, I did paste them, and this is the complete answer. See, it didn't give you an answer over here in these rows. Why? Because A's and P's are not present over here. So we can delete them. So this is our answer for Countif formula. Now this sheet that you're looking at, this video that you're looking at is available at, this video is available at YouTube on my channel. I'll show you my channel. This is my channel. You can subscribe over here, and YouTube will inform you whenever there are new videos posted. By the way, I'm posting a new video every day, and thank you for your tremendous response. See, I started this channel on the 30th of March. Today is what, I believe 26th of April. Just within 26 days there have been 577 views without me doing any kind of activity to popularize it. So it's great stuff. Thank you so much all you guys. I hope I'm proving helpful to you. Now yes, this is my channel, so you can subscribe to it, and you can also actually provide your feedback, comments over here. Just provide your comments, and I'll come to know whether what I'm doing is right or wrong. And now the file that I'm working upon is available for free download on my website. Yes, this is my website. I've created that site. Oh, it's slowing down. Something has gone wrong. Alright, this is my website. Alright, this is my website. You can just go to training files page, and download the file for free. And over here you can also see that I have my social networking sites links over here. So if you like the content, do go ahead and click on and tweet it, or go or share it on Facebook if you like it at all. I would like you to assist me in spreading the word that knowledge is available for free over here. Let us share it. Let's share it. So this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.
Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru. Today with a formula called Vlookup. Now this is another version of Vlookup from different sheets. I have taken an example over here, and the example is for a class of students whose names are John, Mike, Aman, Rajiv, Ashish, Charlie, Kurat, Raju, Janice, and so on. Oh, we have the latest, hottest Indian sensations, Muni and Sheila too. And say these are the subjects, say English, Maths and Science. Now we want to get their marks. How much marks did it score in these subjects? And in sheet 3 we have their data. We have the names of the students and the marks of these agents of the students in these different subjects. Now we see that that was just a trick. The marks are in English, Maths, Science, History, Geography and French. And in sheet 1 we only need the marks for English, Maths and Science. So how are we gonna do that? So we are gonna use Vlookup. So the Vlookup formula starts with is equal to VLOOK UP bracket open. Now first thing, what did it say? Lookup value. That means what do we want to look up for? Based upon this data, Vlookup would search the other data. So we have to specify based on this, search the other data. Now you see this is highlighted and it says to go to the next thing, table array, you need to press comma. So now comes table array. Now table array is your data range. Where is your data? So you need to click on sheet 3 and select your complete data. This is my complete data. So I select it and then I press comma. It says comma. Now comes the important part. It says column index number. Now the column index number means that every column, this is called a column, a vertical stack is called column and a horizontal stack is called a row. So if Vlookup says from which column do you want the data for John? Say now we are looking for marks in English, so which is in column 2. Why is it column 2? Because the data from the table array which we select, the first column would automatically become column 1. So second column is column 2. So I need to say 2 comma, now it says approximate match or exact match. So if you press 1 it will say approximate match. If you press 0 it will give you exact match. So I'll press 0 bracket close and enter, and here's your result, 98. Let's just check. John got how many marks in English? John got 98 marks in English. Isn't it cool, easy to do? There's another way of doing it, very simple one again. So we want to see how many marks did he get for maths. So what we are going to do is we're going to click on formulas, insert function, type in the name of the formula, Vlookup, click on go. So it says Vlookup, it says lookup, Hlookup, if, match, Countif. You know what, as of now I have covered Hlookup, if, Countif, lookup and match I'm gonna cover in the next few days. Let's see. I'm planning to take this video library to around 1500 videos. Okay, so lookup value is again this area, which this range, the names of the students. Table array is my data range. Where is my data range? This is my data range. I have, you see it's showing us data because I named it data. And column index, since I'm doing it for maths, so column index for maths was 2. And lookup range is, I want to say 0 because I want to get an exact match, is equal to 98. I actually did a mistake. It should be 3 because maths was 3. Let us see. Maths was 3. This is, I mentioned the column numbers for you. Nice, cool. So now I'm going to teach you one more thing, how to copy Vlookup. Now this is very specific, very specific. You need to be knowing what you need to do. See, I have applied Vlookup over here, Vlookup over here. Now if you see in both these things, both these formulas, if you see C11 to C24 data, comma 2, comma 0, C11 to C24 data, comma 3, comma 0. What has changed? The column number. Now if I copy it, then if I just put the column number from here, whichever column number, it will give me the result. Before doing that, we need to do one thing. We need to edit this formula, press F2. We go into the edit mode of the formula. Select your lookup value range, and press F4. Press enter. Okay. Now do a Control C and do a Control V. It has given you the same result. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press F2 again. I'm going to edit mode. Science was on column 4. I just type in column 4 and enter. Answer aa gaya. And we have the answer. I'm sorry, I switched back to my native language, Hindi. I'm so sorry. So this is how we can copy Vlookup, and we can do the same for. Now this copying was for different in columns. See, we went from English to maths, from maths to science. Now if you want to copy Vlookup just like this to other students also, all we need to do is just copy and paste. You will get the result. The copy feature I taught you was to move horizontally from here to here, but to move it vertically, all you need to do is just do cut, copy and paste. I hope you liked it. The Excel file shown in this training video is available for free download at my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. All you need to do is go over here and click on the training files. When you go to the training files, you can download this training file for free without any charges. No, I'm not looking for money. If you want to give me anything, yes, go ahead and give me a like on Facebook and give me a subscription on YouTube, because when you do that, it helps me in spreading the word that yes, let's share knowledge. I want to share my knowledge with everybody. So this is my Facebook page. Do click on like. I am developing this as of now. And yes, you go to my YouTube page and subscribe. So whenever there's a new video, you will be updated by YouTube. So this was your Excel Guru with a formula of Excel called Vlookup. Vlookup from different sheets or different workbooks if you can want that. So this is your Excel Made Easy Guru signing up for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.
Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru with a new formula of Excel called Hlookup. Yes, this is a wonderful formula, can help you in a lot many ways. Yes, you heard me right. Hlookup, something that not many people are aware of. It's just another version of Vlookup. Vlookup is basically working upon the columns, that is vertically. Hlookup works upon the rows, that is horizontally. So I have taken up an example of the marks obtained by these students Mike, James, John and Karen in the months of January, February to November, and I want to find out in the month of November how many marks did Karen got. Alright, did Karen receive? So what we are going to do is we are going to find how to do Hlookup in two ways. First one is my favorite, using the formula syntax. The second one is using the FX feature of Microsoft Excel. So every formula in Excel starts with an is equal to sign, then you type in Hlookup. Yes, this is something good with 2007 and above in Excel, that whenever you type in the name of a formula, formulas relevant to that name show up below. Over here as of now only one is showing, so if I just press tab, this formula would automatically get entered and the parenthesis sign would also open. So lookup value is November. I want to find out how many marks did Karen got in the month of November. So November. Then comes table array. This is the complete table array. Yes. Select the complete table array. Then another comma. Row index. Now row index is now in the month of November. In which row is the name of Karen reflecting? It is row number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 5, sorry, comma 5, comma 0, and voila, you have your answer 1. Same way, another manner how to do it. You go to the home tab, you go to formulas, you go to FX feature, type in Hlookup, press go, double click, lookup value, this time is October, table array, we know this is the complete range. I am selecting the complete range, so I selected the complete range. Now row index is the index row in which the name of the student is there, Karen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row, so we'll type in 5, I'm sorry, 4, 5, and then we come over here and type in 0, and we press OK, and here's the answer. Isn't it easy? This is Hlookup for you. This file that you're looking at, this Excel file being used in this video, is available on my website, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Yes, that's my website. And you can go to the training files tab and download the the Excel file for free. So practice along, follow along. And yes, these are my social sites links. You can follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. Yes, if you go to Facebook, this is our page. Do like us and become a part of Excel Made Easy, and you can post questions, answer questions on your own for the questions posted over here. So do like us over here. And the video that you're looking at is on my YouTube channel, YouTube Excel Made Easy. And you can also choose to subscribe to my videos by signing in or signing up. So this will allow you to have access to my videos anytime when they are, as soon as they are loaded, and YouTube would make you aware that new videos are loaded and you can find them easily. So this was Hlookup for you, and this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day. Excel made happy Excel learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru with a new formula for today, which is the sum formula with a running total feature. Yes, sum as running total. A wonderful formula can help you in a lot many things. This is just an example which I would be giving you, a small example which I'll be sharing today. This difficulty level is easy, and the example that I've taken is for a collections of a specific shop and a specific month and on specific dates. Say the date range is from 1st till the 15th of April 2011, and these are the collections from say 10,000 rupees to it goes to crores of rupees, and it drops down to again 2,565 rupees. So lots of troves and waves over here. Good, nice business, interesting, right? So we now say, if we want to find out what is the grand total till specific dates, like on the first there was a total of 10,000 rupees, all right, collection of 10,000. On the second there was a collection of, say, how many are these? Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 23 lakhs 45,678 rupees. So how much would the total be till the second? And then what would be the total till the third? So that is the running total formula, which is very simple to do and very helpful. I'll tell you how to do it in a few seconds. Every formula in our Excel starts with the is equal to sign. We open the brackets, parentheses open, we type in sum, and you see in Excel 2007 this is a good feature. Whenever we type the name of a formula, all the related formulas along with it open up, start showing over here with their brief summaries, what they can do. So all these formulas I would be teaching, all right. A few I believe I have already taught. No, I have not. None of these other than sum. Soon I'll be covering them. So we'll type in sum, and what you want to sum is I'm sorry, we did it the wrong way. We need to type in sum first is equal to sum, then parenthesis open, and then sum number 1. Alright, this is what we want to sum. Now here is the magic. Here we need to press this button. Yes. Shift and colon, and then close the parenthesis. It has given you the sum of this cell itself from D8 till D8. Alright, you see D8 is the cell area, cell number. You see, D is the column and 8 is the row. D8 is the cell address. So over here I've done a sum of D8 till D8. Now here starts the magic. Now what we need to do is, to do the sum as a running total, we need to fix or bind the starting range, the starting cell. How we can bind it? Highlighting it using the mouse and pressing F4 and pressing enter. Now you see there are these two special signs over here. Dollar signs have appeared in front of D. So we have now binded the cell. Now once we do that, we need to copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V, simple. The other way around, let me just teach the other way around. This thing, we'll come over here, mouse ka right click, copy, and then select the complete area till which you want to paste it. Mouse right click and again paste. So here you have your formula. Now you see over here the starting range cell is again D8. However, it is counting till D9. Over here it was the starting range is D8. It is counting till D8. Here it's counting till D9. It's counting till D10. See? So this is sum as running total. It's giving you a total of these two values. The total is this. The total of these 3 values would be this. The total of these 4 values would be this. So this is the sum as running total feature. This training sheet that you're seeing is available on my website www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com, and the video that you're seeing is available on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. You can click on subscribe and just sign in or sign up with your ID, and then you will be notified every time there is a new video posted by me, which in fact I do almost every day. And yes, and then you can also like it over here. You can provide your comments if you like or do not like it, or something that you would like to be added extra. And this training sheet that you are seeing, this one is available for free download on my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. I'll take it to you over here. Well, just to let you know, I'm boasting myself, I made it myself. All you need to do is go to this training files, click over there and download the file, and it will be available to you. By clicking over here, you will be able to go to my Facebook channel once again. And yes, you see the social networking signs. Do like us, tweet us, buzz us, or quote us, share us if you like us. And do like us on Facebook if you want me to keep on spreading this word. Facebook is the easiest way around to spread the word that Excel can be learned over here without any money and in the easiest way possible. So help me in spreading the word that education can be taken from here. So this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much once again, and happy Excel learning.